can't find it. Oh no, it's not here. It's not there. Where? It's not in this. I'm not even sure where it is. I can't even find this. Oh my goodness, where is it?
Petri, what is going on here? You look very anxious and upset.
I can't breathe.
Petri, wow. Can you... Okay, let's take a couple deep breaths first. 1, 2,
3, 4,
5. All right.
Thank you. I was starting to get really upset.
It seemed like that. What was going on?
I can't find my favorite book.
Your favorite book. Okay. You started to get anxious because you couldn't find your favorite book. Do you realize you were kind of throwing your wings all over the place and throwing papers and toys everywhere?
I know. I just got myself all wound up.
And when you get wound up, there's something you can do. It's called my calming routine.
What is it?
Well, it starts with those breaths, those 5 deep breaths that we just did.
Okay, we did those. What's next?
You can also do 5 hand squeezes or wing squeezes and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, that feels good.
Or you could do leg presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, that feels good too.
So you can do those things and they can kind of help you so that you can feel a little more calm. Or I know that sometimes it's even good to get out and go for a walk or change where you are, because changing the environment can sometimes help you even feel better. So breathing is good. Some of the hand squeezes and leg presses are good. You can even do a head press that is with that calming routine, and it can help you. You don't have to feel so upset. What was the name of that book?
Curious George. I'm looking for it. Oh.
It's okay. Don't have to get upset. Let's just look around and see what we can do. Oh, you know what? It was under that page right there.
You found my favorite book. Oh.
There we go. What do you say we read this book and just kind of enjoy that?
That would be better. I won't feel so anxious. I have my favorite things, and my calming routine helped.
I am so glad it helped. All right, let's wave to everybody and talk to them later.
Bye. I'm going to do some reading.
And I hope you can do some reading today too, and you can use your calming routine if you need to calm down. Bye.